Now we will discuss about the selfing and crossing techniques in sunflower. To get 100% self seed, what we should do, we should cover the selected plant with a suitable butter paper bag or any cloth or a bag that is available, and before this is should be done before anthesis to avoid any contamination from the foreign pollen. For crossing, we should select a desirable plant in the morning, and before starting emasculation we will see all the florets, and with the help of knife we will remove all the newly opened florets by scraping it with a knife. And anther tube of the freshly opened florets are on the morning can be removed easily with the forceps. This should be done before the elongation of the stigma, and we should keep removing the florets until the whole we have done with the all inflorescence. Then the stigma will be elongated and remains receptive for 1 to 2 hours, and it keep receptive till 4 to 5 days, and the maximum seed set in sunflower will occur when the stigma is pollinated the same day. The chemical emasculation is another method used in sunflower, in which the gibberellic acid of the particular concentration is used when the sunflower is a bud of about 1 to 1.5 centimeter. It is practiced to produce the hybrid seed mostly, and the concentration and the time of application of this chemical is the key factor in producing the best seed. Once emasculation is done, we will do pollination. Pollination can be accomplished by a number of ways. One should cover the sunflower bag, sunflower head of the selected male to collect all the pollens in the craft paper bag, but this should be done before anthesis. Then collect these pollens in the craft paper bag and shed these pollens onto the desirable stigma, and these pollens can be stored, the collected pollens can be stored depending on the temperature they are kept. After pollination, the plant should be kept covered and the inflorescence take place sterile. One should sterile its hands and the equipment before between these pollination to avoid any contamination. At the end, labeling with a tag is done, which should mention the date of examination, date of pollination, the breeder's ID, and the name of the sunflower genotype. Thank you.